Welcome again, friends. We are learning cell organelles, mainly eukaryotic types of cell organelles. We have talked about endoplasmic reticulum, which is also a part of endomembrane system. And in this video, we are going to discuss the another cell organelle, which is also a part of endomembrane system, which is Golgi apparatus. Okay. So basically, Golgi apparatus works with, they remains closely associated with the endoplasmic reticulum and works with the endoplasmic reticulum, and mainly they perform the function of packaging and modifying the proteins, okay, and transport them into the outside cell or intracellular targets. So basically, let's talk about their structure first. So here you can see the eukaryotic cell. So eukaryotic cells has this nucleus and nuclear membrane, right? We have talked about the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, and these Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies are present near to the endoplasmic reticulum, right? So these are the Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. So basically, these Golgi apparatus are kind of similar structure with the endoplasmic reticulum. They are also made up of these flat sac-like structure, or they are called as cisternae or cisterna or cisternae, whatever you may call it as. So basically, they are made up of this folding sac or disc shaped sac like structure, and they have mainly two phases, which is cis phase and trans phase. So phase which is towards the endoplasmic reticulum is called as cis phase, and which the phase which is towards the plasma membrane is called as trans phase. Okay, so what is the function of these two phases? So basically, we know that endoplasmic reticulum performs the function of protein synthesis, right? Mainly rough endoplasmic reticulum, which contains the ribosomes on their surface. So it performs the function of protein synthesis. They make proteins. Mainly the proteins are raw proteins. They are not modified, or you may call it as they are not prepared for their work, right? So they are modified into the Golgi apparatus. And how does the protein enter in the Golgi apparatus? Through the vesicles, right? Some small ball-like structures are there, and these vesicles contains these proteins which are synthesized from the endoplasmic reticulum. So these vesicles enters through this cis phase first, and after that through this cisternae they transfer to the in the medial cisternae. They are quite modified. The sugars or lipids can be attached to them, and they are quite modified into the cisternae, and then they are again packaged into the vesicles and secreted outside or inside the cellular targets, right? So these secretory vesicles, small ball-like secretory vesicles, contains these modified proteins. So these modified proteins are sent to their targets. The target can be extracellular or intracellular, but basically Golgi apparatus performs three main functions of packaging. After that, they are modified. Firstly, they are modified, then packaged, and then transported to their targets. So basically, what Golgi apparatus is doing here, they are quite a factory of the cells, which means the products are proteins or some other substance like lipids. They are modified, they are packaged, and they are transported to their targets with the help of this Golgi apparatus. One more function is that they are also involved in the synthesis of lysosomes. Okay, synthesis of lysosomes. So this was all about Golgi apparatus. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much.